All right, so we have a brand new feature, which is the release of the image slider for our email builder. So let's go ahead and show you how to set that up. So you're going to want to be on the sub account level. You're just going to navigate to the left-hand side. We're going to have you scroll down to marketing. Once you're on marketing, then we're going to go up to emails, and let's go ahead and click on templates. We're going to actually edit an original template that we already have here, but you can actually create a new one from scratch by clicking on the blue plus new button here. Let's go into this email product that we've previously created. And on the left-hand side, we have our elements that we can use within the email builder. And you'll notice that we have a new one here, which is called image slider. So right here, you can see that I have an image, which is just one individual image. I'm going to go ahead and grab this element, which is the image slider, and drag it over. I'm going to also delete the original photo because now I want to have an actual slider here within the email. Now, once you want to add your images or edit the actual image slider, you're just going to click on it and you're going to see that we have 3 slides here available. You can click the plus sign to add a 4th slide or additional slides as desired. You can also delete one if you only want to have 3 slides, or if you want to delete another and have 2. Let's go ahead and stick with 3. I'm going to go ahead and click on slide 1. You'll see here that I have image, and I'm going to click this image, and let's go ahead and bring in the image that we want to have for slide 1. So I'm going to use this course mockup again. Then for slide 2, I'm going to go ahead and click on slide 2 here on the left-hand side. Then I'm going to go ahead and click image, and I'll bring in the second image that I want to include in the image slider. And I'm going to repeat that step for this third image that I want to have here. I'm going to click on slide 3, click image, and then I'll bring in the image that I want to have here on the image slider. So now what you'll see is that we have 3 thumbnails that are shown here at the bottom. We also have arrows here where you can click and move across those thumbnails and see the actual images. The great thing about this is that we can actually edit this even further. So you have your thumbnail width. Let's say that you want to put more spacing between your thumbnails. You want to make them larger or smaller. You can adjust that here with the thumbnail width. You also have the thumbnail radius. If you want to make the radius larger or smaller, you have that option as well. Then you have a hover border color that you can change. You have a selected border color that you can also change. And notice that we have these arrows. You can choose not to have those arrows, and then they can just click on the thumbnails to change the image. Or you can go ahead and include those arrows, and you can change the type of icon that's shown. So for example, we have the chevron left arrow and the chevron right arrow. I'm going to click on that, and you'll see that we also have a plus circle that we can use instead. We also have a minus circle. We just have a plus sign without the circle. We have a minus sign without the circle. We have up and down arrows. We have arrows for the left and right. If you like the arrows, you can use those. We have an arrow in a circle that can go up or down, left or right. See how we've added that here on the left, the circle arrow. And I really like the chevrons. We have the up and down as well that you can choose from. I'm going to go ahead and select the original chevron because that's the one that I like. So you really have the ability to fully customize this new image slider, which I think is so amazing and so cool for our emails. So go ahead and check it out. Add the number of images that you want shown and displayed within your image slider, and then you can go ahead and hit save at the top right.